Marion County deputies handcuffed Jeremiah Ricketts, a deputy with the sheriff's office at his home in Lake County, well outside their jurisdiction, while attempting to retrieve a patrol car and his wife's gear. Under the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, the right of the people to be secure in their persons against unreasonable seizures shall not be violated. Lieutenant Adams insisted he had authority to detain Ricketts in another county without any valid legal basis such as fresh pursuit or mutual aid, violating this fundamental protection. The state attorney's office later confirmed the detention was unlawful, showing how these deputies foolishly overstepped against a fellow law enforcement officer who knew jurisdictional boundaries far better than they did.
You live here. You do have a key to this. Okay, you don't have a key to this? You don't live here?
I do live here.
Okay. Then you can use that keypad, go get the gear, show us where it is. We are collecting the gear.
I don't want you inside my house.
Okay. Then we're going to get that gear.
You can get it. I don't want you inside my house.
Okay.
Can you tell me where my child is?
I don't know where your child is, but I'm going to tell you right now. You are not going anywhere. You are being detained.
Am I detained?
Yes, you are.
Do you have authority to detain me in Lake County?
Yes, I do.
Are you a Lake County deputy?
I have authority to do it. Hold this. Drop your things behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I will get you what you want. If that will solve this, I will get you what you want. But it is inside of her house.
Which you have the authority to go into because you live here. Is that correct?
So I'll go in there. I'll go in there and get it.
Let's go.
Can you take me out of handcuffs? I don't want you in my house. I'll get it and bring it out to you.
You are not going in there and grabbing those guns. I want you to look at me. You know that I'm speaking the truth. I am not going to allow that.
Okay.
So you can escort us in there, stay right by our side, so you know that we are not searching anything, so you know that we are getting exactly what the hell we came here to get.
I will leave the guns. I will bring you her other stuff. I don't even know where her stuff is. I have to look for it. And when I find it, I will bring you her other stuff, and then when I'm ready, or when you're ready to get the guns,
I'm going to let you know this is your option. Okay, this is your option.
So you're accusing me of theft.
This is your option.
Okay.
You gonna listen to me?
Yes.
All right. I can take those cuffs off of you. We can walk with you inside to gather that gear. We will take that gear, and then we will leave, and everything's done. That is what we are going to do. If you do not want to do that, then I'll set you back in the back of that patrol car right there because it has a cage, and we'll get Lake County out here, and we'll just follow it that way. Does that sound good? So which one do you want to do? There is no variation to the scenarios that I just gave you.
Well, you're accusing me of theft.
No, I'm saying you are going to be charged with theft if you keep this game up. So, just so you understand, I'm going to take these off. Your take's in there. We're gathering all of her gear and coming back out. Is that correct?
Okay.
Okay.
I need to put my dog away before you go there.
We'll walk in so while you put them away. I just told you there's no variation to the scenarios. You understand that?
My pit bull will bite you, but okay. I'm trying to save you from getting bit by a dog. This is my
I
house.
am not closing the garage.
I would like my garage closed, please. Will you please close my garage?
I am not closing because we're not leaving yet. Go to that car. Stand back over there, please. Jeff, you pat it down over.
Wallet?
Here, take him around the other side of the door so I can see.
I would like you to please close my garage, and you don't have consent to go inside my house.
Do you have his phone and stuff?
No, he set them down inside.
Turn off the cameras.
I don't know how. You can't without a computer.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
To them?
Yeah. I want to consult my attorney and my union rep before we go any further, because I don't understand how I can get some stuff that I don't know where it's at.
I'll let him know if you want to talk to him. Good, he wants to talk to you.
We can look around the house for her stuff. I don't know where it's at.
You didn't take it out of this car?
God, bro, this is ridiculous.
I agree.
This is ridiculous.
I don't disagree with you.
Why is this happening?
I was told to come help get a car. But it seems to get a lot more complicated now. Because there's supposed to be a bunch of stuff in this car and there's not.
Can you tell him? You asked me if I got the permit?
Lieutenant Adams, he'd like to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
I would like to speak to my son.
Okay.
And before we go any further, I will let you look around the house after I speak to my son. But I'm not sure exactly what you want me to do.
You're right. You, unfortunately, you said that the stuff was in the house, then you say you don't know if it's in the house, then you said it's in the house, then you said you'll let us go in there and get it, you said you'll go get it, you said you would go get the guns, and I said no, you are not going to get the guns, and then you walk in there and you open the closet and act like you don't know where they are. So, and now that you said that you want an attorney, I'm not going to talk to you about it anymore.
What I'm saying is, if you let me call my attorney and consult me, I will let you look around the house after I speak to you.
I told you that you weren't in charge, right?
I know you. I know.
Okay.
I'm trying to be helpful, but I just don't understand.
It's not difficult to understand.
Despite Ricketts repeatedly refusing consent and demanding the deputies leave, they forced entry into his house to search closets and rooms for the missing equipment and weapons. Fourth Amendment jurisprudence, example, Payton v. New York, 445 U.S. 573. Warrantless searches of private premises are prohibited under the Fourth Amendment, unless a specific exception applies. They ignored the heightened constitutional protection of the home, dismissed his objections, rummaged through personal spaces, and accused him of theft on the spot. This clear violation of warrantless search and seizure rules fell apart when higher authorities reviewed the body cam evidence and identified dereliction of duty.
Is your body cam done?
Yes, sir, it is. That your buddy? That your buddy? Right there.
In the
Yeah, in that car. I'm sorry?
So you leave in the front, they're really hurting my shoulders, and I'm sure they'll be
Yeah, give me a minute for him to walk back over here. Hey, you good with putting handcuffs in the front?
Yeah, I'll be right.
I'll be right here.
I never thought you would have argued the way you were.
I wasn't arguing with you as this. It's one of those things. Can I make a phone call?
Not right now, dear man. Just wait. I gotta be here in a minute. I'm gonna talk to this guy. I'll be right with you.
Mr. Felton, I'm hot. Fantastic. Nope. I wouldn't.
Get my text.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Okay. Can you step back here?
You want to have a private conversation? Waiting on Lake County.
Hey, what'd you think? I bet you're glad we brought it now.
Well, I got water in there, but
Yeah.
it's just pouring old water, you know. I'm sorry, hey. Can I make a phone call for you? Not right now. Who you wanting to call? Huh?
So my cousin is on me out of jail.
Oh. Did you leave your phones inside? Yeah, you had them on you when we first. When we went inside, you put them down. I'm sorry?
Okay, I have the number if you can.
Just wait till they get here.
Adams was demoted to sergeant and suspended for 30 days. Boyles was demoted to corporal and suspended for 20 days, while all charges against Ricketts were dropped for lack of probable cause, opening the door for his planned lawsuit. Under the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause. By arrogantly trying to bully someone they assumed they could overpower, these deputies picked the wrong target, a knowledgeable colleague backed by solid evidence, legal protections, and union support. The sheriff's office itself acknowledged the violations of jurisdiction, warrantless searches, and seizures, proving that when foolish officers cross someone with higher legal authority on their side, the blowback devastates their own careers. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.